Now let us solve this example. Construct splay tree using 15, 10, 17, 7, 13, 16. In the last video, we have seen about splay tree rotations. I will share that video link in the description as well as first comment. So first be perfect with splay tree rotations. After that, solve this example. So first insert 15. So here initially the tree is empty. So 15 is taken as the root node. Next, insert 10. Splay tree is nothing but binary search tree only. So left subtree contains less than the root, right subtree contains greater than the root. So initially the tree contains 15. Next we are inserting 10. 10 is less than 15. So insert 10 as the left child of 15. But in splay tree, after performing every operation, we have to do the splaying. Splaying means the process of moving recently accessed node to the root node. What is the recently accessed node? This 10. So we have to move this 10 to the root node. So we have to perform one rotation. Okay. So which rotation we have to perform? Here the newly inserted node is 10. So we can call this node as target node. Here this target node is root node child. So we can perform either jig operation or jag operation. So 15 left child is 10. So left child means we have to perform the right rotation. Right rotation means jig rotation. Jig rotation. So 10 will be splay off. Let us rotate 15. So now 15 will be rotated one position to the right. Next 10 will be rotated one position to the right. Next 15 will become the right child of 10. Okay. Now what is the root node? 10. 10 is nothing but newly inserted node. So we can stop the process. So what is the next node? Insert 17. What is the previous tree? 10, 15. Next, 17 is greater than 10, right child. 17 is greater than 15, so right child. Next, we have to perform the splaying. Splaying means move this newly inserted node to the root node. So which operation we have to perform? Here 15 is right child of 10, 17 is right child of 10. So we have to perform the left rotation. Left rotation means jag. So how many left rotations we have to perform? 2 left rotations. Why? Because we have to move the 17 2 positions to the left. So here we have 2 rotations like this. Jig jag, jag jag. So if we are performing either jig jag or jag jag, so same jig jag jag, same rotations, either left to left or right right. Then first rotation will be performed on the grandparent, whereas second rotation will be performed on the parent. Here 17 is the target node, 17 parent is 15, 17 grandparent is 15. 17 parent is 15, 17 grandparent is 10. So first rotation will be performed on this grandparent. Okay. So which rotation we have to perform now? So jig is over. Yeah. So which rotation we are performing here? Jig rotation. Why? Because this is 10's right child, 15. So 15 right child, 17. Here we are performing left rotation. So left rotation means jag rotation. Left means jag, whereas right means jig. So splay off. First rotation is performed on the grandparent. Here the grandparent is 10. Splay off 10. So 10 will be rotated to the left. So now 15 will also be rotated to the left. So 15 will become the root node. So 15 left child is 10. Next 17 will also be rotated one position to the left. Next second rotation is also left rotation. Left rotation means jag. So splay off. Next second rotation will be performed on the parent. Here what is the parent? 15 is the parent. So splay off 15. So which rotation? Jag, left rotation. 15. So rotate 15 one position to the left. Next, so rotate 17 one position to the left. So 17 will become root node. Rotate 15 one position to the left. Next, rotate 10 one position to the left. Okay. Next here, what is the inserted node? 17. So 17 is the root node. So we can stop the process. So what is the next node? 7. So insert 7. What is the previous tree? 17. 17 left child 15. 15 left child 10. Next, 7 is less than 10. So 7 will become left child to 10. So next, after insertion, we have to perform the splaying. Splaying means move this inserted node, newly inserted node to the root node. So which rotation we have to perform? Here the target node is 7. So 7 left, 10 left child is 7, 15 left child is 10. So this is left, left. Left to left means we have to perform the right rotation. So right rotation means jig rotation. Splay off. Here same. 15 left. Next here we are performing 2 right rotations. So same means the first rotation will be performed on the grandparent. So here the grandparent is 15. So 17. So 15 will be rotated to the right. So rotate. Next to 10. So 10 right child is 15 is rotated to the right. 10 right child is 15. Next, what about 7? 7 is nothing but 10 left child. 10 left child. Okay. Next, we have to perform one more right rotation, jig rotation. The second rotation will be performed on the parent. So here the 7 parent is 10. 7 parent is 10. So here we have 10. So which rotation? Right rotation. So there is no need to move 17. So keep 17 as it is. Next, rotate 10 to the right. So rotate 7 to the right. So now 7 will become the root node. So rotate 10 to the right. So 7 right child is 10. 10 right child is 15. So can we stop the process now? No. Why? Because here the newly inserted node is 7. 7 is not the root node. So splaying means we have to place 7 as the root node. So now we have to perform a rotation. So which rotation we have to perform now? So this 7 is the root node's children. So one rotation is enough, either jig or jag. Okay. So 17 left child is 7. So left child means we have to perform the right rotation. Right rotation means jig rotation. Splay off 17. Splay off 17. So now 17 is rotated to the right. So 7 will become the root node. So 7 right children is 17. 7 right children is 17. Next, what about 10, 15? So insert them as BST rules. So 10 is greater than 7. So right. So 10 is less than 17. So 10 will become the left children. What about 15? 15 is nothing but the right children of 10. The right children of 10. Okay. Next, insert 13. So what is the previous tree? 7 is the root node. 7 right child 17. 17 left child 10. 10 right child 15. So 7, 17, 10, 15. Next 13. So 13 is less than 15. So insert 13 as the left child to 15. So next we have to perform the splaying. So what is splaying? Move this newly inserted node to the root node. So which rotation we have to perform? So 13 is the target node. So 15's 10 left children is right children is 15. 15 left children is 13. So 13 parent is 15. 13 grandparent is 10. Okay. So this is nothing but right child. This is nothing but left child. So here we have to perform 2 different rotations. So if we have 2 different rotations like jig jag or jag jig, then the first rotation will be performed on the parent, whereas second rotation will be performed on the grandparent, reverse. Here first rotation grandparent, second rotation parent, whereas here first rotation parent, second rotation grandparent. So there is no need to change 7, 17, 10. Why? Because the first rotation will be performed on the parent. So here which rotation we are performing? Right rotation. Right rotation. So 7 right children is 17. There is no need to change grandparent. Keep it as same only. 10. Next rotate 15 to the right. Rotate 13 to the right. So 10 right child will become 13. Next to 13 right child will become 15. Yeah. Next left rotation. Left rotation means jag rotation. Left means jag. It is our choice. If you want here right jig, right rotation means jig. So splay of 15. Next second rotation is left rotation, jag rotation, splay of here different. Second rotation is performed on the grandparent. So here 15 grandparent is 13. 13 grandparent is 10. Initial tree. 13 grandparent is 10. So which rotation? Jag, left rotation. So 10 will be, this tree will be rotated to the left. So 7 right child is 17. So this 10 will be rotated to the left. So what will happen now? Rotate 13 to the left. 13 will become the parent. 13 left child is 10. 13 right child is 15. Okay. So two rotations are over. Can we stop the process now? No. Why? Because here the inserted node is 13, but here 13 is not the root node. Splaying means we have to place 13 at the root node position. So which rotation we have to perform? Here 7 right child is 17, 17 left child is 13. So we have to perform RL rotation, right left. So right means jig rotation. Splay of different rotations means the first rotation will be performed on the parent. So 13 parent is 17. So which rotation? Right rotation. Right. So no need to change 7. So keep it as same only. So 17 is rotated to the right. So rotate 13 to the right. 13. Next 13 right child. Rotate 13 to the right. Next 13 right child will become 17. What about 10? So 10 is nothing but 13 left child. What about 15? 15 is nothing but 17 left child. Now let us perform the second rotation. So what is the second rotation here? Left rotation. So left means jag rotation. Splay of. Here the second rotation will be performed on the grandparent. So 13 grandparent is 7. So splay of 7. So jag means left rotation. So let us perform the left rotation. So now 13 will become the root node. So 7 is rotated one position to the left. Next 13 right child is 17. According to binary search tree, arrange. So 17 left child is 15. Next we have to insert 10. 10 is less than 13, so left. So 10 is greater than 7. So this is the output after inserting 13. Let us insert the last node. Insert 16. What is the previous tree? Root node is 13. 13 left children 7. 13 right children 17. 7 right children 10. 17 left children 15. 17 left children 15. Okay. 13, 7, 17, 10, 15. Okay. Insert 16. 16 is greater than 13. So right. 16 is less than 17. So left. 16 is greater than 15. So right. So now we have to perform the splaying. So splaying means we have to move 16 to the root node. So which rotations we have to perform? Two rotations. So 17 left children is 15. 15 right children is 16. So first here we have different rotations. So left to left right rotations we have to perform. So left means we have to perform jag rotation. Splay off. So different means the first rotation will be performed on the parent. Here the parent is 16, parent is 15. So there is no need to change 13, 7, 17, 10. So 13 is the root node. 13 left children is 7. 7 right children is 10. 13 right children is 17. So jag means left. So this tree 15, 16, this tree we have to perform operation on this tree. So 15 is rotated one position to the left, 16 is rotated one position to the left. So 17 left children is 16, 16 left child is 15. Next, so left rotation is over. Next we have to perform right rotation. Right means jig, splay off. The second rotation different. Second rotation will be performed on the grandparent. Here 16 grandparent is 17, 17, splay off 17. So 13, 7, 7 right children 10. So we have to perform which rotation? Jig right rotation on 17. So right rotation. So now 16 is rotated one position to the right. 17 is rotated one position to the right. 15 is rotated. So 15 will become 16's left child. So can we stop the process now? No. Why? Because here splaying means we have to move 16 to the root node. But here 16 is not the root node. So which rotation we have to perform? Here 16 is the 13 root node child. So we have to perform only one rotation. 13's left child, right child. Right child means we have to perform left rotation. So left rotation means jag rotation. Splay off 13, splay off 13. So 16 will become the root node. 16 will become the root node. So 13 is rotated one position to the left. So 13 left child is 17, 7. 7 right child is 10. Next 16 right child is 17. Next we have to insert 15. According to BST, bind is ST, insert. So 15 is less than 16. So left. 15 is greater than 10. So after inserting all the elements, this is the final output. So likewise, we can solve any example in the examination very easily. But we have to perfect with splay tree rotations. So if we are perfect with splay tree rotations, then we can solve any problem very